In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Wise verification failed error. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of ways you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your details. Make sure that your name, date of birth, and address match your ID. Check for typos or extra spaces or even incorrect information. The other thing you want to do is use valid documents. If you haven't used the valid documents or your document is blurred, cropped, or edited, then you might face problems. Also, take clear photos. So avoid glare, shadows, and reflection and place the document on a flat surface. The other thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and turn off any VPNs if available. Then if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and head into your App Store or Play Store and then update your application. Again, if that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and clear cache, restart your phone and try again, or even contact Wise support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.